Dami, USD.
Mayaman.
Wow.
Ayan.
Madam Rowena, nakakamitin natin.
Tama.
Meron pa rin sa diskwento karaman.
Tapos na ba?
Ay, tapos na. Bago naman, talaga naman. Coming up next week, welcome. The DICT. Lapit lang po kayo sa kanila. Lalakas ang kasi yung pinamumuno aming engineer, Jeffrey Agustin. Nami-miss ko naman si Engineer Cherry.
Oo, ang tagal ko na din nakita si Mitchell.
At sa mga kaibigan niya natin si Mang Kara nandyan sa lahat ng mga kaibigan ko sa PSA. Thank you.
Joining our parade, friends are our friends from the Department of Trade and Industry.
Of the Philippines is headed by the Department Manager and Lefty of the Lefty Department, Mr. Alvin.
Oo nga, parang naman.
At syempre, ang pinakamaaga sa ating selebrasyon, 6:30. Parang napakaaga naman yun.
Oo, 6:30 nandito na talaga siya.
Parang manyanita naman yata ang ano.
Oo. From the Congress to the last time featured
T-shirt.
nila.
Ayan. Thank you. Color with the t-shirt ni siya na doon.
Thank you po.
Department of Environment, DNR. Ang ating naglalabang kumagandang DNR chief ng Merino, Francis Forrester Francis Malaga. Engineer, forward to the
Fairness, ang ganda ng kulay nila doon.
Oo nga eh, napakayari sa picture.
Oo.
Pero sa sa tingin ko, yung taon, nagpapag-record ng nagpaparticipate sa ating napakagaling nila.
Thank you.
Siyempre, ang mga nickname ng Binibining Quirino 2025, andito na ang ating tatlong nagagandang Binibini. May request our Binibinis to please stand and come, may we introduce you to our live audience and siyempre sa lahat ng mga nanonood ng ating Binibining Quirino, kanina muna kayo dito. Dito naman muna kayo. Harap muna tayo sa VIP. Kabahan ka ng friendship. May we request our Binibini 2025 to introduce yourself once again to our people, badlang people, our audience. May we start with Binibini Quirino 2025.
Morning, everyone. I am Nicolas Fiesta Montero, your Binibining Quirino.
Wow!
Good morning, everyone. My name is Joyce Magalong Rivera, and I'm from the municipality of Ligon. And I am your Binibining Quirino first runner-up. Good morning. I am Abel Jane Domingo Santos mula sa bayang Walang Kawamis.
Binibining Quirino 2025 ay galing sa Municipality of Aglipay. Palakpakan naman natin.
Sigaran kita sa inyong mga payo! Wow! Baka naman!
Bakit parang LGBT private ang kanilang payo? Ano meron? Magkakaibang kulay. Pero ating pinasasalamatan ng Office of the Vice Governor and syempre ang sangguniang pandalang.
Yes! Ang ganda po ang ating mga honorable members ng Sangguniang Palaganigan dito. Maraming thank you po sa inyong lahat.
Alright, and syempre nakakasama natin ang Provincial Budget Office.
Siyempre, headed of course,
Oh.
ay our napakabait na Provincial Budget Officer, Ma'am Zenaida Macadaen. Maraming thank you po sa inyong lahat. Yan.
Yay!
Hanggang si Ate Marty, si Ate Maida, si Ate Josie. Maraming thank you po. Ayan, ang ganda ng Ate Maida.
Tayo nyo naman si Ma'am, parang
Oo nga.
isa lang niya. Hirap naman magdamag.
Ayan, thank you po.
And here comes the Provincial Human Resource Management Office.
Headed of course by our Provincial Human Resource Management Officer, Sir Vinny Amor Bacani, and staff.
Walang pumas si Sir Billy.
Oo nga.
Ganyan yung tsura, parang mga nasa 42 years old ka.
True, I must agree.
Batang-bata, yung kanyang tingting talaga. Ladies and gentlemen, we have PGO, Public Population and Development. Yan, Population and Development.
Headed of course by Sir Froilan Alan Herrera. PGO Nutrition Program Services. Head of the NIC, Ma'am Lulingini,
here in the province of Quirino.
Of heritage, we humbly ask you that you may help us preserve the traditions and values that make our province unique. May we never forget our roots as we reach for new heights. Lord, we look to the future with hope, advancing together as a first-class province. Guide our leaders with your divine wisdom. Inspire our communities to work hand in hand, bridging divisions and fostering a spirit of cooperation. Bless our farmers, our students, and our entrepreneurs, and every single resident of our dear province, that their efforts may contribute to the progress and prosperity of our home. As this festival comes to a close, may each spirit of gathering and solidarity remain in our hearts. May we continue to move forward, not as individuals, but as one united people, building a future worthy of our glory.
University Chorale for the Philippine singing of the Philippine National Anthem in Quirino. May we be seated, everyone. Indeed, we are very happy at the province of Quirino. And ladies and gentlemen,